Hi ladies, so really quick I just wanted to show you how I typically fill out my goals when we're going to submit them as a team. This one right here Miss Leisha created for us this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and use her template just to kind of keep it simple and streamline it. So this one right here is our August goals. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So really quick, so the app that I use to do all of our all of my text on top of pictures is PicsArt. So it's this one right here. PicsArt, I've always used it. It's just easy access for me. So basically I'm going to go ahead and open that app, and then I already have the image there, but let me just show you how it looks from the beginning. Okay, so let me close that out. Let's do it that way. And you open up PicsArt, and this is going to go straight to basically your desktop. And this right here on the bottom, so you see the bottom, it has the home and then that little diamond inside the circle, that big plus sign with the button, the purple one. We're going to click on that because we are going to create and edit a new picture. So there it automatically goes from the different templates that they have available to do your edits. I'm going to stick to photos, which is the top one, the first one, and I'm going to click on, but you see how your album already kind of shows here on your recents. So you can scroll through, or in right here, because I just saved that template. Okay. I see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. But if you have something that's from before, you can just click on all photos. And then from there, it opens up your gallery on your phone. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just click that. This is a template that was submitted this morning for our goals. And so here, all I'm doing is see this menu down here on the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll all the way over until I see the text right here. It has the T inside of that square. I'm going to click on that. And then, so our first one is our PV goal. So this is your personal volume goal. This goal is going to be all of the sales that you personally make from your customers. These are the sales that you are going to be investing. So, you know, okay, I'm going to invest $200 this month on, you know, products that I want to try, things that I want to try out and test out. So this is your own personal goal based on what you're going to invest in your business and what your customer sales are going to be. Okay, so this can be, so let's say it's $200. Okay, so there is your $200 right there. And we are going to click this check mark right on that top right hand side on there on the top part. I'm going to click that, and it's going to come up with this beautiful text. Now obviously that's too big, so you see how there's this corner right here. There's the four corners. You have an X where you can literally delete. You have the kind of like that swirly where that's basically undo, and then this right here, this corner right here is basically resizing where it has the arrows, you know, going both ways. So what we're going to do is we're basically going to resize that to fit. Down here it has your different text, so as you can see it's kind of changing right there on the top. You can choose whatever text you like, and then we'll stay with that. And then the color, obviously you click the color right here on the bottom of that, and that's where you can change your color. So let's go ahead. Now what we're going to do is click on it and move it over to your PV. And you can just obviously resize it and things like that. And so there is your goal for PV, okay? Now what I'm going to do, because I want to make sure I fill out the rest, all I'm doing is I'm making sure it's highlighted where it has your three corners right there. And I'm going to click, so you see the top right here on your top menu, you have cancel, back button, the front arrow, and then you have the eraser, those two squares things on top, and it has apply. So click the two squares that are like on top of each other, and that is going to give you the option to duplicate. So that's all I press. I'm going to duplicate that. You see how it popped up right there, and I'm going to move that over, and I'm going to change my GB goal. So this is specifically for anyone that has a team. Basically, if you have one girl under you as your downline, that means you have a group volume goal. That's your goal for your whole entire team. Okay, so this one, if you don't, obviously you'll just put NA, you know, it doesn't apply to you. Or if you do, then you put the goal down. So what do you want to hit as a team? So you've already said that you're going to do 200 PV. Cool. So that means you're going to be at 3%. No problem. Now, so say you have someone under you and you want them also to at least hit their 3%. So what does that mean as a group volume? That means that your team is going to hit $400, and that's 6 GB. Okay, that's your 6%. bonus. So now we're going to go ahead and do 400, and this is examples, okay? So you see how that just simply changed? So it means that your group volume is going to be 400. Obviously, the goal right here is to be higher, but this is just a simple example on how to edit your template. Sorry for Tayasi. And so with that being said, now that you know your GB goal, you are going to put that percent in this other blank box right here on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that again. I'm going to move this up here. I'm going to double click so I can go ahead and change the text. And I'm going to press 6% because that's my goal for my team, okay? So you see how it's right there. I like to just kind of center it. Or you can just make it bigger, whatever. Okay, that's your goal. So now, in these two bottom right here, this is something new. Well, the bottom one is something new. So you have how many new beauty influencers that you want. I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this again. And I'm going to move this over here. And you decide how many beauty influencers do you want. You always want to set your goal. Your goal is to always grow your team, especially if this is something that you find that, you know, you can grow with, you are ready to rise with. And so your goal, you always want to have a number there, whether it's one new beauty influencer for that month, the highest, you know, 5, 10, whatever you want to push yourself to. But just always have a goal. Okay. So if there's something new, so 6% if you're doing your GB, that means, you know, this kind of shows out, okay, you're a new leader. And so you're taking baby steps, and that's okay. So let's go ahead and do one new beauty influencer. Okay. So, and this really goes based on the confidence that you have with your team. So we're going to do one new beauty influencer for the month. I'm going to go ahead and click that again. I'm going to duplicate it. And I'm going to bring it down here. And now what is your goal for your parties? Okay. So any party based on, you know, messenger party, you want to have a quick mystery bag party in your group or whatnot. You want to just kind of have something for your customers to where you can truly promote the products and get your sales to hit. Okay. To hit your sales goals. So right here, you can do, you know, one every other week. So that means that'll be 2 parties for that month. Okay. So that will be that's your goal for, so you'll get one new beauty influencer and you're going to have 2 parties for that month. So this specifically really is someone that is a new leader. I can tell you right now that just based on looking at this, when you are a new leader and you already have someone that's on your team, this is so easy to hit. Okay, this is so easy to hit because when you have someone else that's active and you guys are both growing, this is easily can go to where you double it. So this can easily be 12%, 15%. Okay. So it's all based on mindset, but I just wanted to show you ladies how I fill in the goals. This is what I use. This is how I do it. And then what I do is I basically click this download right here where it has the arrow facing down on that half box. I just go ahead and click that. And once that is done, it's saved directly to my camera roll. Okay. So now on my camera roll, I can go back and there it goes. And that's when I can just go ahead and save it and share it to our group and the messenger. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.